Hi everyone, welcome to the first look launch of Anaganavatiri. Thank you Vamshi for joining us as the guest today. So, మీరు already visuals చూసారు ఈ film ది. So tell us about what you have seen and what people you feel will be able to experience through this film.
Hello. First of all, ఐ థింక్ చాలా రోజులైంది కెమెరాలో ఫేస్ చేసి ఇలాంటి లాంచ్లోకి వచ్చి ఈ కోవిడ్ టైమ్స్ వల్ల అలవాటు కూడా పోయింది మాట్లాడడం. బట్ I've seen the clips and some clips in of Anaganaga Vatidi. I think it being the first kind of an original film on, done by AHA. Basically, the biggest surprise for me was, of course, Payal in the film because the whole makeover that she went through for the film, I think. Because I think for every artist, basically there is a kind of a thing to explore themselves in new ways and new kind of things and all. So when I saw it was very unlike Payal that I've seen. So I think which is a very good thing and a fresh thing, Nizanga Cheppalante. And of course I congratulate AHA on this behalf because I think in this dearth of entertainment where, we've all been still waiting for the theatres to open and we're still uncertain about it, there's still some entertainment coming our way. I think ఎందుకంటే ఐ నో బీయింగ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ దట్ ఎంత ఛాలెంజెస్ ఫేస్ అవుతున్నారో, ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద కోవిడ్ టైమ్స్ కంటెంట్ అనుకున్న కంటెంట్ టైంకి రాలేక, బట్ స్టిల్ వీ హ్యాడ్ సో మెనీ ఛాలెంజెస్. సో ఎవ్రీ వీక్ ఒక ఫిలం, బీట్ ఈవెన్ లాస్ట్ 2-3 వీక్స్ చూసుకుంటే ఒరే బుజ్జిగా ఒక కలర్ ఫోటో, అండ్ ఐ థింక్ next is going to be మా వింతగాథ వినుమా, and then it's going to be Anaganaga Vatidi. So there's a constant kind of entertainment that's coming to us, and I think ఒక regional platform గా start అయ్యి, I think it's going to be the fastest regional platform to reach the 1 million subscribing mark, I think, which is the biggest kind of achievement in this space. So I think this is just the beginning and a long way to go. So అందులో వస్తున్న ఒరిజినల్స్లో ఫస్ట్ ఒరిజినల్ అనగనగా ఒక అతిథి అవడము, అండ్ దానికి ఐ థింక్ he's an basically award winning director here. So November 13th night, I think Payal and director and Chaitanya and all as a team are going to definitely keep you engaged because this is more of a thriller drama, as I know, and I think it definitely has its own moments and stuff, and I hear that the last 15-20 minutes is something that can actually elevates the film to another level, so which we are looking forward to, and that's it, and I think that's what I want to talk about it.
Thank you. So director garu, Dayal garu, tell us about the film and aim work out in the audience, like what will they like, and like Vamshi garu said, there's this last few minutes which is going to be like very intense and full of twists and stuff. So tell us about the film.
First of all, I'm completely emotionally moved with this session. Actually, it's my honor. It's a big honor for us, for all of us, that Vamshi sir has come forward to launch the first look. So first of all, on behalf of the team, let me thank him heartily. Then, and the second thing is Dayal Padmanabhan. As a filmmaker, I would have done 18 films in Kannada, but it is my Telugu debut film. So I'm completely moved, and I'm grateful to AHA for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, now let me come to the cinema part. Yeah, this is basically a thriller, but doesn't come under the formula. So the thriller has got a formula that there is a crime. The crime, there is multiple suspects. The multiple suspects, there will be one criminal. There is a justification for the crime. This is what the worldwide crime thriller formula. But this crime thriller doesn't fall under that formula. That is the unique thing about this film.
The family drama also.
It will start like a family drama, but end up with a emotional. It will turn up like a crime thriller, then it will end up like a emotional drama. This is what the flow of the screenplay. So that way, definitely AOA. That is the shortly we are going to call as AOA, is going to be a completely a new experience for the audience. That is what I feel as a filmmaker. And one more thing I want to tell, I don't know how far it is right to tell in this platform. there is a popular poet in Tamil. Basically, I am a Tamilian. There is a popular poet in Tamil. They say that Bharatiyars used to write 100 years before that, Sundara Teluginil Patisaitu. Means the Telugu is such a beautiful language. If you want to write something, write it in Telugu. Okay, he has written 100 years back. So we are all grown with such literature background. So I'm really excited to do my first film in such a beautiful, yes. I'm excited. And one more thing here, I want to register that legally I am a Telugite. My father is a Telugu speaking, but I lost my father when I was 4 years old. So I never had a practice to speak Telugu because my mother is a Tamilian. But once again, I'm so happy that I have got an opportunity to do a Telugu film. And so this is what at this point I want to express. And completely my actors, I have to say Chaitanya sir, his cooperation, and I call few as actors, few as heroes, but I love to call him as an actor. Okay, when I save somebody's name in the mobile also, I save that way only. Okay. Okay, I have saved his name as an actor. He's really a versatile actor. I'm really lucky to have him as an actor. And I heard about him, about his acting skill, everything. So he has done his best, I can say. And one actor with whom I didn't have much corrections, because it is not that the others I had lot of correction. It doesn't mean that. I'm telling like where I didn't have much stress to correct. So he has understood the character very well and he has done. And about Payal, we have no interaction before the film. We met only once before the film. And she went through the complete script and she was asking few questions and I could answer that. And I told her that don't come with any preparation. Don't come with any preparation. However, the character is going to drive you, do that way. That is what she has done. She has done a fantastic job. As Sar said, it is going to be a path-breaking character for her. And and in future, you will be calling her as an actress. No, she has proven already in RX100 and other films as an actress. This is going to be a milestone film for her. And of course, I have to tell about Anand Chakrabarti sir, his cooperation as an actor, and also Sundar Veena, who is not here with us. She has done the major character. She is making her debut in Telugu in the lead character. So this is the cast, and about the technical things we will talk in future in rest of the interviews. So I am completely excited that, and it is going to be released on a Deepavali day. So we are all excited and waiting for that.